Imatra Spa Hotel. Charles building.
In 2014 42021
Same stupid controls in my house.
Yeah.
It makes the same
Yeah.
fan sound and takes a bit time.
Yeah. 8 and 30 programs.
But the upgrade was very unnecessary.
Yeah.
The original controller was much faster and better in many ways.
Yeah.
It was faster and also a bit quieter.
Spektaakkiväistä maintained by Kone.
Yeah, it's the same one used in here.
Yeah.
Sounds a bit different though because it's smaller.
Yeah.
We have Kielarinko to what?
That's